Welcome to the Youth Show. In this show, we talk about the various problems the current youth is facing. It can be workplace issues, it can be career related issues, it can be educational issues. Whatever problem you are facing, come to our channel, comment on our video, watch our videos, and I am sure that you will learn a lot. Sir, one of our viewers is facing a workplace problem. The problem she is facing is that her manager texts her at 11 p.m. daily regarding work. So how does she manage and set particular boundaries in her workplace without risking her appraisal?
Yes, sometimes this kind of problem happens, with managers who are extremely demanding. I think for that it's of course I always tell that one should try to work the maximum, but it is always good to have boundaries. And one of the boundaries is that sleeping time. For a healthy lifestyle, one should have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. So that's if you consider going to sleep at maybe 11, so you wake up at 7, right? So or maybe you go to sleep at 10 and wake up at 6. Early to bed, early to rise always is a healthy schedule. And for these times, what I do is I have my phone on do not disturb mode. So my phone will not ring, or I'll not the messages will not beep after 10 and till morning 6, so I can get uninterrupted sleep. So that I think is required for everyone nowadays. iPhone users, Android users all have this feature. For extreme at night, unless of course you are in a production on-call critical situation, then of course you should not have your phone on do not disturb, or some doctors also who are on emergency duty. But for most of us, for the rest of us, it's very important that we have a do not disturb put in, and from maybe 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. so that we can get undisturbed sleep. The other part, which is not the sleep part, but setting boundaries, it is difficult when you are very young, because you don't have a lot of expertise, you're learning. So at that time, my advice to all of you youngsters is that try to work very hard, try to make the deliverables, complete the deliverables. And of course, if you can't pick up the phone at ungodly hours, or extreme hours, make sure to always call back. Maybe you are you're having a dinner, or you're in the restroom and you don't have the phone with you, but always make it a point to call back, unless of course it's between that 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. when you are at sleep, right? So summary is that try to cooperate the maximum with your manager, have a healthy sleep, put your phone on do not disturb. And third is in the evening time, if you are on call for a production issue or a deadline, of course you have to be very alert with your phone call during emergency time. But all other times, if you can't pick up the phone immediately, try to call back your manager. Try to be very proactive, very respectful of the work of the manager, and try to give your deliverables. And this problem happens mostly for youngsters. With seniority, this problem tends to reduce. But of course, for critical roles, this problem is a lifelong problem for doctors on call, or for production related support, which of course is a completely different ball game. But for the rest of us, it's a good practice to cooperate, to work with our managers, so that the career growth path is not hindered. But at the same time, try not to sacrifice on your health, on your sleep, on your mental well-being. And of course, if one can't pick up the phone right away, you can always call back, but make it a point to follow up and call back, so that the caller does not feel belittled or that you're snubbing that person. So I hope this helps.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello viewers, thank you for viewing our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because otherwise it's very easy to get lost in the YouTube's hundreds and thousands of content creators. So if you like this channel, subscribe, like, and keep on viewing, keep on commenting. Let us know what new questions you have. I know youngsters of today need guidance. They have thousands and thousands of questions and they need proper mentorship. I've been doing for our institutions, and I would love to help all of you out. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Thank you.